Yeah, welcome back to our Academic Technology channel. Today we are going to show you how to create a template in Gmail. When you create a template, especially if you have a particular kind of email that you normally send out, you can create a template of that email, right? Then there are some times too when you need your header and your email signature to always be there. You can create a template for that. If you all normally send out proposal, you can have a template for the proposal, so you don't need to type this thing over and over again. So the first thing you are going to do is to click on this settings button. When you click on this settings button, click on see all settings. When you click on see all settings, then you will see a lot label. Just go to advanced, click on advanced, go down, look at templates, click on enable. So when you click on enable, you will click on save changes. So automatically we've saved these changes. So by the time you want to send a mail, click on compose and click on compose. Say you're sending to one Mr. Unique proposal for supply of laptops, right? So you can now say there's just say, just have your, then you can come on and say thank you uh, on behalf of. So let's assume that you want this thing to always be like this. It's a template, or you have another thing that you want to always be here, right? What you should do is look with this thing, look, so you can save this as a template. This thing. So what you should do is to come to this three dots, then go to template, say save draft as template, save as new template. So I've actually saved this template. In case I want to use it next time, what I will do is once I click on compose and I say I'm sending to I go do TV, I'll just come to my template and look for it. Once I select it, look, everything has appeared. So I'll just paste whatever I want to paste here and send. Alright? Once I want to use it, just click on compose, go to template, look at it here. This is how you create a template on Gmail. Look at it. It's there already. So you don't need to type all these things again. You can even respond, like if I want to respond to this, I can say respond. Look, I'll click here, template, look, alright, and respond. So I hope you're able to learn a new thing today. Please continue to subscribe to our Academic Technology channel. Here we talk about tech, programming, business, and so many others.